What's going on, you guys? Charles here again. Just going to be going through some quick analysis today on in the crypto space. Just looking at the pairs that we've been looking at from the past week or so. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope it provides some value, and join us again next time. Thank you. Just going to be doing some quick crypto analysis as we have some movement in the crypto space. All right. So and I'm going to be posting as well. This is going to be a follow-up to some analysis that I did already. So I'm going to post the link to that up above. So let's get started here with Polkadot. So Polkadot came down to that first line that we had marked, right? And I've initiated a buy, or at least a small buy on Polkadot. Now, if we come lower, because I do think that we do have the space and the ability to come lower, we don't have to. Again, that's why I already initiated a small buy or smaller buy than I would initiate at 746 and 7759. But if we come lower to 7759 and 746, I will initiate another set of buys. Now, Fantom, take this away. Again, much like Polkadot, we came down to that first line that we had marked below this set of swing lows, right into this area. We had a few fair value gaps in this area, as well as a swing high to swing low, and then we take out that swing high, right? So that's the first area. But then where the dynamic price action truly occurs, or occurs first, is down here in this area. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a push down to the 308 level on Fantom, or even down all the way to the 2816, which again, we have dynamic price action and even a fair value gap still in that area with this guy right here. So 267 as well, definitely initiate some buys there as we see very dynamic price action. And then here, again, more dynamic price action. BAT. So BAT, looking at this, again, we get down to this first line that we had marked. And again, where the more dynamic price action is down below. And we can see again another, fair value gap. It's been booked, but we do still have that dynamic price action. And we do still have this set of candles here that is interesting to us. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get down to here, but we don't have to again. So again, much like Fantom Dot, I initiated small buys as we got to, or smaller buys, the smallest round of buys that I would initiate, and did the same thing with BAT here today. Ethereum, looking for it to come a bit lower. So, and it's not that much lower. Now I already own a bunch of Ethereum as it is. It's not like a brag, but I kind of got lucky like right before the pandemic in terms of getting Ethereum at a very good price point. So that being said, it's one of those things where I don't feel the need to buy as much all the time. I try to continue, I have continual buys, but I try to up them when I think they're at good price levels that I would be putting money in anyway, right? So that is the deal with Ethereum. So I'm going to be seeing if we can get lower to the 17.8388 level, and that's really just more of a thing of practice and discipline, right? Because like I said, I have recurring buys on Ethereum, so it's not like I feel the need to up my buys when they get to certain levels the same way that I do with BAT or Fantom, for example, right? Because I really want to make sure that I'm getting a good price, because to me, BAT, Fantom, as much as I believe in the technology, I still think they're more speculative than Ethereum would be, right? Because if somebody new comes into cryptocurrency, where's the first place they're going to go? Bitcoin. Where's the second place they're likely to go? Ethereum. So because of that, I don't see it as, it's definitely still a speculative asset, but it's not as speculative as something as Fantom or BAT. So I want to make sure with things like Fantom, BAT, I'm very, very particular about the price levels that I'm buying at, right? And then HBAR, again, we're basically back in this area, very close to this line here, right? So likely going to initiate some tiny buys here as well. But then again, not going to be surprised if we come lower to these lines here, where we have, again, dynamic price action higher, some nice sets of candles as well. And then Ripple seems like it doesn't want to get lower, but that's fine. I own some Ripple as well already, but always got no more. But already bought some here on August. It was here, August 16th, August 15th. Whenever it was the last time we did this a cryptocurrency video, I bought some that day of Ripple. So if it doesn't want to come lower, that's perfectly fine. but definitely anticipating the possibility of us pushing lower. Again, why? We have the swing high to swing low, dynamic price action above that swing high, right? And then if we look to the left, we have a nice set of candles to the left as well. So, and then again, above all of that I just described, we have a bunch of swing lows that people would likely be trailing their stop behind, representing good liquidity in the market. So it's a quick crypto analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it provides some value to you. Join us again next time, man. Thank you.